As we've already mentioned in the show early on, it was a windy, dry, and warm day. Because of that, we had red flag warnings out. Those have gone away for tonight, but they'll be back at it again tomorrow because we're going into another similar day for tomorrow. But for now, it looks okay. Nice shot there of Highlands Casino out near Miami, Oklahoma. So how did we fare with temperatures today? We started out at 51 degrees. We topped out not bad, 75 degrees. But keep in mind, we should be topping out near 62. So that 75 makes it feel like we were in the month of May instead of the month of March around here. It wasn't just Joplin with a day in the mid-70s. Everybody topped out mainly in the mid-70s today. A few cool spots like 71 in Iola, if you want to call that cool. 72 in Parsons, 74 in Chanute. Most of southwestern Missouri easily going into the mid-70s, just like northeastern Oklahoma. But since the southerly winds are still at it, even after the sun has set, we're still pretty mild. 69 in Pittsburgh, still holding on to 71 in Miami, 69 in Welch, 67 in Carthage, and the same goes for downtown Joplin. They're sitting at 67. Quiet look from 7th and Rangeline, but the wind still at it out of the south at 24 miles per hour. That's what's going to keep us from cooling off so much as we go throughout the rest of the night. These amazing southerly winds sustained throughout the day at 20 to 30 miles per hour. They're still holding on 15 to 25 in many spots. That's just sustained wind speeds, though. The wind gusts have gone as high as 45 miles per hour in spots today, and the wind gusts will still be added as we go throughout the course of the night. So it may be windy, but we have no threatening weather at the very least moving in tonight. Just quite a bit of cloud cover working in from west to east. We'll continue going back and forth between partly to mostly cloudy skies tonight with the wider view of the central United States having us quiet until you get to the Dakotas and the northern Rockies. That's where we see rain picking up in parts of South Dakota and Nebraska, and that's actually our next front that'll be working in. We were ahead of the front today. That explains why we had a good southerly wind. We'll be ahead of the front for the most part of the day tomorrow, which will explain why we continue with the south wind as we go through the rest of the future track. Partly to mostly cloudy skies tonight. Lows only dropping back to 59 degrees. Keep in mind, gusts throughout the night could be as high as 40 miles per hour. As we go throughout the day, we'll stay mostly cloudy by noon, but I think we'll try and see a little more sunshine tomorrow with highs probably topping out near 76. But notice the thunderstorm icon in a Joplin planner. We'll see thunderstorms try to get going anytime after 4 o'clock ahead of the front as it works in. It's even hinting at that on the future track, and it really wants to try to get going at maybe 6 o'clock and even 8 o'clock as we go into the rest of Wednesday night. It's a low severe threat, mainly so far once you get close to Springfield, Table Rock Lake, and east of I-49. For the rest of us, a minimal severe threat, but if we were to see any strong to severe storms, let's keep the timing between 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon to about midnight going into Thursday. And I really think the main threats here will be wind and hail. Don't see a big tornado threat here, but you know Doug and I will keep a close eye on that as we go through the day tomorrow. Behind this front, though, we get chilly for Thursday. Highs near 40, lows near 40. Highs back near 50 degrees. Good Friday looking good. 61 degrees, partly sunny skies, and more rain chances for Saturday and Easter Sunday, Mike.
What are you looking at rain-wise during the day on Easter? We're looking at morning, chances throughout the afternoon, not going to hit until the evening. What do you think?
I hate to say it, it could be during most of the day.
Be a wet Easter egg hunt on both Saturday and Sunday. All right, Nick, thank you very much. Coming up, development plans in Pittsburgh.
The city of Pittsburgh looks